Hey friends, if you wish to fix corrupted system files in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a DISM scan. So the command is DISM space forward slash online space forward slash cleanup image space forward slash restore health. Okay, now I'll open it on a different this thing. Search for command prompt again, run as administrator, paste it here. I'll explain the difference between both of these commands. The first command checks for the system image for the recovery files because a few files are missing, so it will pull those files from the image and fill up the DLL list. But the second one will will repair the system image from the internet itself. So both of these commands are important and both of them do a similar job of fixing corrupt system files on Windows. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.